What is up guys, it's Shyman here, and today we're gonna talk about 5 months review for this keyboard. Well, this keyboard isn't branded, so let's just call this K28 Gaming Mechanical Keyboard. A lot of you guys ask me how's my K28 keyboard. Is it still working or okay pa ba yung mga LEDs or meron na bang mga keys na ayaw mag-function? So, I've decided to make this video for you guys, especially sa mga gustong bumili pero di sure sa quality or sa durability nitong keyboard. Sana guys, gamitin nyo yung link sa my description box sa baba. Makakatulong po ito sa channel na makapag-review pa ng ibang produkto para sa inyo at safe yan at free gamitin. Ina-update ko yan always to make sure na yan yung mga murang K28 sa Lazada. I have this keyboard for about 5 months and I'm using this every day. More or less 8 hours sa isang araw, including na yung mga ibang users na gumagamit sa PC. This keyboard is the TKL version of K26, ibig sabihin wala siyang number pad. Kung gusto nyo ng full-size version ito, I will leave the links in the description box. K28 is very popular sa mga students and sa mga budget gamers na kating-kati na magka-mechanical keyboard because it is very affordable. This is the cheapest mechanical keyboard here in the Philippines. Mabibili nyo lang sa halagang 1,200 pesos. Yung build niya, it is what you expect for the cheapest budget mechanical. It is mainly plastic and the top plate is made of glossy plastic. So it's pretty lightweight for a mechanical keyboard. So yeah, it does feel a little cheap, but then again, for the price, it is decent. On the back, the non-removable cable is braided and approximately 1.5 meter long. You'll find 2 regular grips on the bottom of the keyboard and the feet aren't rubber tip. Yung ginawa ko sa K28 ko is in-applyan ko siya ng hot glue stick para di mag-slide. It comes with keycap puller and plastic wrist rest with matte finish. And for those who doesn't like wrist rest, you can just take it off. The keycaps are ABS double shot keycaps with gamer font. The switches of this keyboard are clones of Cherry MX Blues called UX switches. They're louder and a lot heavier than Cherry MX Blues. It has an actuation force of 60 grams, but it felt it needed more force to actuate, and a lifespan of 50 million keystrokes. They're anti-ghosting and full-end key rollover and key travel compared closely to Optimo switches. Let's check how loud these switches sound. You are getting a great typing experience with these blue switches, which provide a loud, clicky, and feedback-driven experience. There are several versions of this keyboard: all black, white or silver, and rose gold. Lahat naka-rainbow LED. Ibig sabihin, di siya pwedeng single color lang like all green, pure white, etc. etc. To cycle to a different mode, just hold FN key and press SL key. It comes with 3 brightness level. Let's take a look at the lighting effects. I made this video while they're on sale. This keyboard is normally around 1,350 pesos. Last check ko, nakasale siya sa halagang 1,189 pesos. Di ka na makakakita ng murang deal na mechanical keyboard just like this. If your budget for peripherals is tight, you can still afford a mechanical keyboard. Huwag mo nang tisin yung mushy membrane keyboard mo. All lights of my K28 are still working. No dead LEDs, the keys are still responsive, and yung effects nyo are functioning well. Sa 5 months experience ko, never ako naka-encounter ng unresponsive switches or problema sa lighting effects. Right now, I'm really happy with this keyboard. It works well for gaming and typing, but again, they are really loud, so best not to be used in a shared environment. I hope this video answered your questions. If you want to help and support our channel, please use the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe just for fun. Till next time, God bless.